Hi everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler, and today we're tackling something really useful: how to add up values in Excel based on a date range. We're going to use one of my favorite functions for this, SUMIFS. Just a quick heads up, it's SUMIFS with an S on the end, not SUMIF. That S makes all the difference, because SUMIFS lets you use more than one condition at the same time. First things first, click into the cell where you want your total to appear. Type equals SUMIFS, open bracket. The first thing SUMIFS asks for is your sum range. That's the range of numbers you want to add up. For me, that's my quantity column. So I'll select that range, then type a comma. Now we tell Excel what to check first. That's the criteria range 1. Both of my conditions are based on the same column, my date column, so I'll select that here. Then comma. The next part is criteria 1. This is our start date rule. We want the date to be greater than or equal to the start date in our sheet. So we type greater than or equal to inside quotation marks, then close the quotation marks, then an ampersand, then your start date cell reference. The ampersand joins the operator greater than or equal to the actual date value. Now for criteria range 2, we select the date column again, because our second condition is also about dates. This time our criteria 2 will be the end date. So we type less than or equal to, inside quotation marks, close the quotation marks, ampersand, and then the end date cell reference. All that's left is to close the bracket and press enter. Boom. Excel gives us the total quantity for all the dates in that range. Now, what if you don't have your start and end dates in cells, and you just want them inside the formula itself? No problem. In place of the cell references, just write the date inside the quotation marks after your comparison operator. For example, for a start date of the 1st of June 2025 in UK format, you'd write greater than or equal to the 1st of June 2025. And for the end date of the 30th of June 2025, you'd write less than or equal to the 30th of June 2025. Of course, if you're using US date format, you can type it that way instead. Excel will understand as long as it recognizes the date. Press enter. And your SUMIFS still works perfectly. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to sum values based on a date range in Excel, whether your dates are on the sheet or built into the formula. Trust me, this is one of those little tricks you'll find yourself using again and again, especially for reports and sales data. If this tip helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I've got loads more Excel tips to make your life easier.